हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप लोग सब। तो ये जो मैं कल से शुरू किया था एक सीरीज मार्केट स्टार ऑल अल्गो स्ट्रेटेजीज एक्सप्लेनेशन। तो उसका पहला वीडियो मैंने ये भी बोला था कि 10 वीडियोस बनाने वाला हूँ। तो आउट ऑफ देम पहला वीडियो, द फर्स्ट वीडियो वाज ऑलरेडी देयर अबाउट बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर। सो आज का टुडे वी विल टॉक अबाउट निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर। We will try to make it very simple because the theme and all everything most of the things, मतलब काफी सारी चीजें आपको पता ही है। लास्ट वीडियो में जो था थोड़ा बहुत रिपीट होगा। कुछ very specific points about Nifty Prima Meter I will discuss today. Okay, so let's start today's video without any delay. So the very first thing, as I already told, I will discuss about what are the things we are going to cover today. So that we will discuss first. So as I already told you in my last video that all the strategy whatever I'm going to design or I used to design, so every strategy has a theme. So किसी ने अगर लास्ट वीडियो नहीं देखा होगा मेरा बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर का, तो बिल्कुल जाके एक बार देख लें। मैं ये वाला आइकन में इंफॉर्मेशन आइकन पे दे दूंगा। ये वीडियो जब एंड होगा उसके साथ भी लिंक कर दूंगा बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर का वीडियो, सो दैट इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज एक्चुअली हैपनिंग इन बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर। और हाफ ऑफ द चीज मैं आज रिपीट नहीं करने वाला हूं, क्योंकि वो सारी चीजें मैंने बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर में बता दिया है। तो एक बार जाके देख लें बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर का, उसके बाद ये वाला वीडियो देखें। ओके, so let's go to theme of the strategy. So theme of the strategy, it remains same. We are dealing with nifty option selling. We are not dealing with bank nifty option selling. Bank nifty option selling के लिए हमने बना रखा है bank nifty prima meter. So this strategy is nifty prima meter, and solely all the options we will be selling in this strategy is from nifty only. Okay. Most of the market condition it covers. You can see when I will show you the stats of this स्ट्रेटेजी 75% से ऊपर का विन रेशियो है ये स्ट्रेटेजी का भी। तो यू कैन इजीली फिगर इट आउट, दिस स्ट्रेटेजी इज एप्लीकेबल टू ऑलमोस्ट ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ मार्केट। ओके, so even today if you'll see, I'll just show you today's market. In today's market there is a huge reversal what happened in second half, but you can see this is nifty 50 chart today. So it was range bound and suddenly a sharp fall happened. बहुत ज्यादा ही फॉल हो गया यहाँ पे, पर और उसके बाद ऐसा नहीं कि फॉल होके रहा, उसके बाद रिकवर भी कर गया। तो ये जो सडन मूव एंड अपवर्ड जर्नी था, तो उसके बावजूद हमारी जो भी स्ट्रेटेजी थी, जो निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर वाली स्ट्रेटेजी थी, तो निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर वाली स्ट्रेटेजी ने कुछ 2644 का प्रॉफिट लॉक किया है, विच इज कमेंडेबल। मतलब काफी सारी स्ट्रेटेजी देखिए, बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर स्ट्रेटेजी is one of the best strategy from market star, but still it could not able to survive today's the huge fall. So but still nifty premium meter survived because nifty premium meters strategy is something like that. One more stats I want to show you. So in this nifty premium meter strategy, if you'll see the market stars figure, so we have been live since last 3 months. So 3 महीने से अगर आप देखेंगे तो the graph is very smooth. Consistently it is increasing, and the sharp ratio usually meant for consistency of the strategy. More the sharp ratio, more will be the consistent. जितना ज्यादा होगा sharp ratio, उतना ही ज्यादा strategy consistently आपको profit दे रहा है। ये देखिए the consistency every month started from April, every month it has given a very good consistent result. So that is what I meant. So this strategy is applicable in all types of market. Okay, most of the market, all type of market, 100% market तो नहीं बोल सकता, most of the market it covers. Okay, same principle. Average monthly return should be greater than 10%, monthly risk on investment less than 5%, and limited risk, unlimited profit. Okay, so let's move to strategy explanation. Like bank nifty premium meter, in nifty premium meter also there will be two entries per day. So one entry will be 9:45 to 12:30 and another entry will be 12:45 to 3 p.m. Why this has been two segregation, I have already explained in Bank Nifty Premium Meter, so I'll not repeat this. So weekly there will be 10 entries because per day 2 entries, so weekly there will be 10 entries. So here the number of trades compared to Bank Nifty Premium Meter, in Nifty Premium Meter the number of trades are pretty much less. वहां पे अगर बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर में अगर आप देखेंगे तो नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड, एवरेज नंबर ऑफ ट्रेड्स बाई प्लस सेल per day it is around 18, but in case of Nifty Premium Meter the per day on an average trades buy plus sell is around 11 number of trades. So number of trades कम हो जाते हैं निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर में, तो कॉस्टिंग काफी, ब्रोकरेज आप काफी ज्यादा सेव कर सकते हैं. तो compared to Bank Nifty Premium Meter the cost to operate Nifty Premium Meter is less, okay, and more consistent than Bank Nifty Premium Meter. Okay, so all entries it will take 3 pairs of ATM straddle. इसमें ATM straddle हम डायरेक्टली लेते हैं, जो भी एट द मनी स्ट्राइक रहेगा उसका straddle ले लेते हैं, जो भी हमारी दो एंट्री टाइमिंग्स है. वेरी सिंपल स्ट्रेटेजी. ओके, एट द मनी straddle 3 पैर लेते हैं, 225 क्वांटिटी पुट, 225 क्वांटिटीज कॉल. ओके, maximum risk per session, each entry has maximum stop loss of 7.5k. That means the maximum loss per day can be possible 15k. TSL again same as Bank Nifty Premium Meter, it activates at 4k and with 1000 increase in profit it will keep on rolling upwards. Okay, every lot, यहाँ पे तो कोई लेग तो है नहीं, यहाँ पे 6 लॉट्स हैं, 3 लॉट पुट, 3 लॉट पुट एंड 3 लॉट कॉल. So every lot has its fixed amount of stop loss. हर एक लॉट का एक फिक्स्ड अमाउंट ऑफ स्टॉप लॉस है. तो जब भी स्टॉप लॉस आएगा उसके हिसाब से स्टॉप लॉस कट जाएगा लिमिटेड रिस्क में. उसके बाद द अदर साइड व्हाटएवर द लॉट्स लेफ्ट, सो दैट विल बी केप्ट till, that will be running till the exit timing, and once the exit time will come entire strategy will be exited automatically. Okay, fixed stop loss, unlimited target. Okay, this is some strategy starts. Again 4.5 lakhs is the capital required. So right now we have 188 number of days data, which is around 9.5 months data we have. So out of 9.5 months data, the loss days are very minimum 46 days, so the win rate is 76%. If you check the last 21 days, means last 1 month result, recent result last 1 month, so there also the win rate is pretty much consistent, 71%. Average monthly profit is 59,629 rupees, which is pretty much more than 10%, 13%. After cost, it will come around 8 to 9%. That is also very fine. So all these stats I have already explained. सब कुछ मैंने बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर में एक्सप्लेन किया था कि सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ ईच स्टार्ट्स. तो उसको देखने के बाद अगर ये स्टार्ट्स आप देखेंगे तो आप खुद ब खुद समझ जाएंगे. One typical starts I want to show you the number of trades. The number of trades are very less, 11 number of trades only. Okay, the rest everything it is a very stable strategy, very good strategy. The drawdown is only 15,390 rupees. That happened on April 13. That happened on April 13. I will show you what kind of market that was, where we made 15,390 rupees loss. I will show you that market. I've kept it open in Zerodha to show you this. Okay, if you can see this kind of market, so our entry time is 9:45, so somewhere around here यहाँ पे हमने एंट्री किया, और एंट्री लेते ही यहाँ पे आप अगर आप देख सकते हो 14,375 कुछ था, 14,375 से ये बढ़ के 14,450 तक हो गया. 375 से 14,000 मींस 0.5%. 0.5% मींस अराउंड 75% निफ्टी बढ़ा. So it is as per our strategy we assume this is a pretty good positive trend, but suddenly market starts decline. So जब भी ऐसे positive trend मिल जाता है हमको, तो calls हमें loss देने लगते हैं. तो in that case the calls all lots have fixed amount of stop loss, so the stop loss got hitted. Okay, then suddenly market started falling. तो जो put हमें profit दे रहे थे वो eventually loss देने लगे. तो 14,450 से what is our exit time? Our exit time is around 12:30. So at 12:30, if you see, it started going down and down and down from 14,452. It came down till 14,300 and 296. So which is almost 150 points. 1% गिर गया. Up move करके 1% गिर गया. तो calls तो पहले ही कट गए थे. Call stop loss already happened, and now with this 150 points downside, put stop loss also happened. So whenever this kind of very high volatility seen with a very wide range, so in that case only we make loss. So as I said already, 7.5k is our maximum loss. So here 7.5k loss has been booked. Now again second session started, and it went up again, and second session started here. 12:45 is our entry timing. So second session started at 14,400 around was Nifty, and suddenly once we started again, market started falling. Some 14,400 to it made a low 14,316. 14,400 to 14,316. So around 84 point it got down. So it again, our strategy assumed, as per our logic, again it assumed it is a lower side trend. So put side stop loss already triggered by that time, and then suddenly from 14,316 to market moved till 14,475. Again 160 points it moved upside, and again our second session also maximum loss, which is 7.5k. So maximum loss has been triggered. So on this kind of very high volatile with a huge range, so in that case only our Nifty premium meter is going to lose. Otherwise, most of the time Nifty premium meter will be in profit. 76% time it will be in profit. That's what the stats says. Okay. फेवरेबल कंडीशंस जब भी हाई पॉजिटिव ट्रेंड, जैसे मैंने बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम समझाते टाइम आपको समझाया था, हाई पॉजिटिव ट्रेंड इफ इट विल कंटिन्यू देन आल्सो वी विल गेट वेरी गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. इफ कंप्लीटली नेगेटिव ट्रेंड, मार्केट नीचे ही जा रहा है, नीचे ही जा रहा है, नीचे जा रहा है, then also we will get very good amount of money. If it will be narrow range bound, since last 1 month in the June you have seen market is trending in a very narrow range, so that is our favorable condition. So that is why in last 1 month recent starts, if you'll see, you got around recently last 1 month you got around 71% win ratio. So that is also a pretty favorable condition for us. So the unfavorable condition already I have shown you, like April 13 data. So there 15,390 rupees in 1 day it has gone, which is around 3.5% of our capital. So that is one of the odd day. So openly I'm showing, and if you see the stats, the maximum profit I'm not focusing much. So because maximum profit anyway 22,691 rupees it is written, and बजट के दिन काफी ज्यादा प्रीमियम था, वेरी हाई प्रीमियम वाज देयर, एंड आवर स्ट्रेटजी squeezed all the premiums and got maximum amount of profit, 22,691 days, which is more than 5% in a single day. Okay, so that's the potential of the strategy. No need to worry about the losses. Losses will happen, but the thing is that overall at the month and when you get 10% profit, that what matters. Okay, in the combination pair again, when you see Nifty premium meter थोड़ा सा शांत स्वभाव का है, थोड़ा सा शांति से थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रॉफिट करके चलता है. बैंक निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर is kind of a giant, a kind of beast which will take lot of profit, and sometimes it gives loss also. So the perfect combination will be Nifty premium meter and Bank Nifty premium meter together. अगर कोई दोनों को मिला के अगर कर रहा है, then the individual drawdown will be a little bit more, but the combination of the drawdown will be very less. So that is why I am suggesting Bank Nifty premium meter, its combination. Yesterday I missed to explain about OTM hedge. So right now, if you saw, the capital requirement is 4.5 lakhs capital, but MarketStar has created one Nifty OTM hedge strategy. This Nifty OTM hedge strategy will take far away Nifty OTM edge for the particular day. मतलब फ्राइडे के दिन अलग स्ट्राइक प्राइस लेगा, मतलब कितना डिस्टेंस का स्ट्राइक प्राइस ले रहा है from the current ATM strike price. What is the far away distance OTM you are buying? So that is also some logic is there. तो उसके हिसाब से मैंने OTM हेज स्ट्रेटेजी बोल के एक स्ट्रेटेजी बनाया हुआ है, मैं आपको वो भी दिखा दूंगा। Yeah, here we go. Here I have mentioned OTM has link, Nifty OTM has link. तो Nifty OTM has link फ्राइडे के दिन बिलो 5 का ऑप्शन प्रीमियम जो भी मिलेगा उसको बाई करेगा, मंडे के दिन बिलो 2, देन थर्सडे के दिन बिलो 1. So like that, it takes the option premiums will be very low for this far away, so that the premium loss will not be more. But if you take that Nifty OTM hedge strategy in your, if you deploy it, and after that if you will deploy your Nifty premium meter, then क्योंकि हम बाय पोजीशन को हेज कर रहे हैं हमारे निफ्टी प्रीमियम मीटर के साथ, then the total capital requirement will reduce drastically to 2.5 lakhs only. So along with Nifty premium meter, if you are deploying Nifty OTM hedge, then the total capital requirement will be only 2.5 lakhs. And along with Bank Nifty premium meter, I have also created Bank Nifty OTM hedge strategy. So in if you deploy along with Bank Nifty premium meter, if you deploy Bank Nifty OTM hedge strategy, so in that case also your total capital requirement will be only 2.5 lakhs. Okay, so Bank Nifty OTM hedge will take only below 10 rupees option to buy, so that premium loss will be very less. And Monday it will execute below 7, Tuesday below 5, and Wednesday and Thursday below 3 rupees premium option it will buy. So in that case, if you are using OTM hedge, Nifty OTM hedge and Bank Nifty OTM hedge, the Bank Nifty premium meter and Nifty premium meter combination of the two strategy, instead of 9 lakhs, you just need only 5 lakhs. Within 5 lakhs, you can deploy both Nifty premium meter and Bank Nifty premium meter. Okay. So that's all for today related to Nifty premium meter. That's what I wanted to share with you. इसमें जो भी कुछ improvement aspect मुझे कल feedback में मेरे Telegram group में मिला था, वो सारे improvement aspect मैंने यहाँ पे आज जोड़ दिया है. So I think the video was pretty informative. Keep sharing this video link, keep subscribing our channel, and keep liking this video. Okay, thank you very much. बहुत जल्दी अगले वीडियो के साथ भी आऊंगा. अगला वीडियो विल बी इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर, सो डू नॉट मिस इट. इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर काफी हॉट केक बन गया है अभी मार्केट में, जिसमें कि निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी का दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन मिल जाता है आपको एक ही स्ट्रेटेजी में. सो डू नॉट मिस द थर्ड वीडियो विल बी इंडेक्स प्रीमियम मीटर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. बाय बाय.